Hello and welcome. In this detailed guide, I'll show you how to block people from adding you to WhatsApp groups without your permission. Why you should block group invites. By default, anyone with your number can add you directly into a WhatsApp group, even if they're not in your contacts. This opens the door for spam, scams, or just annoying group messages. By changing the settings, you get full control. People will need to send you a private invite instead of adding you without consent. This is a helpful privacy feature that prevents strangers, spam accounts, or even certain contacts from putting you into random or unwanted group chats. Let's get started. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on the Privacy option, which controls who can see your info and interact with you. Scroll down in the Privacy menu and tap on Groups. This section controls who can add you to groups directly. You'll see three options here. Everyone, anyone can add you to a group, not recommended. My contacts, only people saved in your contacts can add you. My contacts, except you can block specific people in your contacts from adding you. Select My contacts if you want the strictest protection. Once you select your desired option, the setting is saved automatically. You can now exit the menu. From this point on, anyone who tries to add you to a group will have to send you an invite via a private message, which you can accept or ignore. This small setting makes a big difference in your WhatsApp experience, keeping your inbox cleaner and more secure. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.